and welcome to Top 10 Cats. Hello and welcome to Top 10 Cats. Don't be surprised, there is no Sphinx cat here. I won't have none of that. Number 10, my friends, is a Siamese. Now these have quite the decorated history, even appearing in a Disney movie. What is it? The Aristocrats? Probably. I've never seen it. Now, vocal, intelligent, and huge gleaming eyes. This cat is far from one-trick pony.
Go on, please. We ain't got all day. Go on. Read it.
I'm not even sure why I did it. I guess in a way I knew he had to go. Everyone else despised the guy, so really wasn't doing the world a favor. Why can't you just be grateful? Grateful. Why can't you just...
Thank you.
No, I can do it again. I can do it
Thank
better.
you.
I can just do it again.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's okay.
You're the woman.
Are you alright?
You're her.
Can't I just have a moment of peace?
I'm so sorry.
What are you doing here? I thought I made myself clear.
What? Can I come and see my little girl?
No! You can't! We talked about this!
She's crying.
What?
The cat. She's crying.
It's not a real cat!
Why don't we just sit down for dinner, me, you and your mum, and we can talk about this?
What have you done?
You wouldn't stop crying. Maybe we can get some peace and quiet now. What's happened to you, Mum? Who did this? Maybe now the crying will stop. We can sit down and have a lovely Christmas dinner together.
Number 9. What's number 9? Oh, Abyssinian. Oh, God, yes, Abyssinian. Oh, I just love that name. Abyssinian. Number 8 is the ragdoll cat. Another cool cat. Silky, tough sass for days. Just all the sass. A truly beautiful specimen.
It's okay, Dad. We'll send for help.
Cats are crying, Vicky. Why are they crying?
Dad, I think it's time for some help. I know you don't want it, and I know you'll say no, and you'll just push me away. But I really need some help.
Don't tell me what I need! Don't tell me what I need! What happened to my little girl?
I'm right here.
No, you don't understand. I need to see my daughter.
It's me. I'm your daughter. Please. Please, Dad.
What?
Daughter.
My little girl.
I'm your daughter, okay? No, please, please.
Where's my little girl?
Please.
My little girl.
It's me.
Where's my little
It's
girl?
me. Please.
No. In number 7, we have... a Birdman cat! I'd like to think I'm a Birdman cat. Social and pointed. You know, I know my way around the block. Confident, wry, and just be...
How was your audition?
Not great. I think I bungled it.
Oh, I don't worry, you'll get your shot soon enough.
It feels like I'm in a dream and I can't wake up.
That would be crazy.
Well, have you noticed how strange it has been recently?
Only when I'm with you.
Oh, wow, thanks.
I'm teasing, it's fine.
Maybe something's in the air, I guess.
Yeah, it's seasonal factors or sort. You know, when the seasons affect you, it's the real deal.
Right, I don't need seasonal effect it being explained to me, but thanks.
Look, we know you're hurting, but you just, got a tendency to, nothing.
What is it then?
You tend to believe that your dreams are real.
What?
Madness. Aren't you?
Hey! Where did you go?
I should probably let you complete the list. Good night.
Number 6. Little obvious, but a tabby just cannot make it to this, can it? Can it? No, really, can it?
Madness, aren't you?
What is going on? I'm so confused! I know you're in that creepy, stupid mask, and you're just a person underneath there. A wasteful, murderous man! If you could just set me free from this creepy nightmare that I'm in! I've got enough of my polar palate!
Alright. There's something fishy going on with reality. I'm sure you've noticed, even before I broke that weed little neck of yours. See?
It's a Bengal.
What's going on?
I'm very much enjoying you, that's all.
You've got to let me go!
I did.
I don't believe you!
Okay.
If I were dead, why would I be here with you?
You don't believe in heaven or hell, do you?
No, not really.
You're not in either of those. Don't worry.
your house.
Did I say Bengal? No, no.
I'm sick of this.
I already let you go. Were you not paying attention?
Stop saying that!
Oh, God. I definitely didn't kick like that before. That's amazing. I have to thank you for that.
Finish the list, Vicky.
Dad, Mum doesn't like it that you're just sitting there drinking and watching whatever that is. And could you just help us in the kitchen, please? Just to help clean everything.
No.
Dad, please. I know we've had our differences, but it's Christmas.
I'm not doing shit for her.
Well, then do it for me.
No! I'm not doing anything!
Please, Dad. I don't want to fight. It's Christmas.
I'll give you a fight. I'll give you a fight. Just think it's so easy bringing up someone so much fucking better than you.
Please stop it! Just stop! This isn't you! Let me help you so we can sort this out. This isn't you! Please, this isn't you!
Number 4! Wow, we're at number 4 already. And number 4 is a Maine Coon, a classic! Stop listing things. Number 3 is one of those cats, black and white ones my mother used to adore before she went mad. Don't say that shit. Don't be frightened. I want to stop. Number 2 is... I want this to stop. Number 2 is... Stop! I don't care about your top 10 cats. There are more pressing matters at stake. American Shorthair.
I'm sorry, dear, for all of this. See, I enjoy seeking out new talent, and there's just so many mangled, mentally ill creatures out there desperate for me, yearning for it.
Why are you a cat?
Your father's favourite.
I don't know what's going on.
I'll show you!
Shorthair.
Wake up, Vicky!
Mum's just sleeping, dear.
Dad, what's happened?
Mum. She wants to put me away. One of those padded rooms.
Dad, it's not like that. It's a lovely facility.
I think the cat
around to crying again. Don't cry, little one. Mum can't hurt you now, she's gone. I'm really sorry, dear. I'll have to be going. Got a business meeting in the morning.
Hello, police! Please come quick, please. There's a body. No, please, Dad, you need help.
I'm sick of people saying I need help. Everybody says I need help. News travels fast. Where did she go?
You're the woman. You're her.
You alright?
You alright?
Tell the police he started it.
Where are you going?
Is everything okay?
You could kill me again.
Number one, the best cat of all, is Mr. Cat. Mr. Cat shows you what you went through to get to him. He doesn't give you reasons or logic, but his torture is a unique one. He reveals only the truth, what's obvious right in front of you. And then, only then, once you understand what this is all really about, only then you will truly know your top 10 cats. And that's why I had to kill my old father.
I'm sorry I had to end that way. From when I saw what you'd done to her. It can't be undone. Mr. Cat showed me the way. He taught me to seek vengeance. In a sort of funny way. I'm far happier now.
Rest peacefully, my love. I love you.
It's okay, sweetie, it's okay. It's just a bad dream.
I want to see Mum.
She's upstairs, she's resting.
How long was I out for?
You're having a nightmare. And I just didn't want to wake you.
Oh, I wish you would have. It was a really bad one, Dad. There was this list, and you killed Mum, and I killed you, and it was completely insane, completely bonkers. And I want to go see Mum.
Yeah, she's upstairs resting. Look, I think you should tell your therapist about these dreams of yours.
Hear them.
Hear them what?
Cats. They're crying. Mum?
Mom, are you okay? You're not my mum.
Of course I am, sweetie.
All time.
You're still dead, honey.
Hello and welcome to Top 10 Cats. Now these have quite the decorated history, even appearing in a...
One more list to go.